Hello and welcome everybody. This is a little video I have put together about a little bit about my competition as a handyman here on the North Shore of Oahu. So I'd like to talk a little bit about the why I do things and what I believe is the why behind my competitors do what they do as well. It's important to ask why I do things because it's what motivates me and what helps me to be a handyman and to be successful in what I do and love what I do as well. I truly started this business as a handyman because I love to help people, and seeing the beauty of something that is corrupt or not finished and completing it, I love seeing that happen, and to do that with a helpful attitude and help other people. So on North Shore, we have some competition here, and I'd like to show you who I've found. So the first one was Handy Hawaii. And they were a good company. What I found their why was it was a company based off of a family of boys who grew up working with their father, and they learned how to work hard with their father, and they taught him a lot of trades, and they're truly grateful to their father for what they learned from him. And because of this, their why was from father to son to you. That's what I believed it was. And this influenced them because of what they learned from him and the example that he set for him. One thing I found on their website was this quote says, here we are, years later with me, with the same attitude and outlook. We are raised to do it once and do it right, is the motto we stand by. This has influenced them as a company because without their father, they would not have had a business because they learned everything from him. Okay, kind of the same name, but Handy Andy Hawaii. This is a cool kind of twist, I guess, the handyman business, but they're actually a group of veterans, and what I thought was really interesting is what I thought was their why, that their little catchphrase they put, giving back, serving to those that serve. So this is a company who are a group of veterans who employ other veterans to help them and to create a handyman business from that. I thought it was cool because, the military, they are a group or a band of brothers and sisters who look out for each other, and this is what has motivated them, is to rally together and to give back and serve to other people in the community, and also serve together as brothers and continue on with that brotherhood. The last person is one of my favorites. I've actually done a lot of research on this guy, Honest Lee Handyman. He is a great guy. He started off as a mechanic, and then he moved into the handyman business because he learned that he could have more free time, and also that he could make more money and be with his family and provide more for his family. So this guy's really cool. He talks a lot about honesty. So, but he also loves his job. He posts a lot of videos about what he does. And so I thought that his why behind things was providing for a family can be fun. Is that his number one priority is his family, that he loves what he does, and it can be a fun thing to do, and you can actually enjoy what you do. And I think this influenced him because he figured out what he didn't like, and then he did what he liked, and he was able to be a provider in that sense, and he was able to be successful. And I think this has influenced him a lot in that aspect. So in conclusion, it's also always a good thing to ask why we do what we do, and all of these companies are driven by these things and these motives behind what they truly believe in. It's given me a lot to think about what I truly believe and what I want to do and why I do what I do, and I think family is behind a lot of it, and but also just because I truly love to serve and I love to create beauty, I could say. Anyways, these are a little bit of my competitors and the why behind them and why I do what I do.